Caputol-Sabillaga
I'm Caputol
from BS
Pass 1B.
1B.
Let us introduce our topic is all about
Basic limit laws.
What is basic limit laws?
Limit of a function is the intended height of a function that describes the behavior of the function at a specific value of x, which is the independent variable.
Then we introduce the 8 limits theorem. Fourth, limit of sum and difference of function. Limit of f of x has x approaches to k plus negative limit of g of x approaches to k. In sum and difference of function, there are half steps. First, express the limit has sum or difference of function depending on the number of terms. Second, apply the previously discussed limit theorems in finding the limit of each term, then simplify. Fifth, limit of product of function. Limit of f of x times Fifth, limit of product of function. Limit of x approaches to k, times limit of g of x approaches to k. In limit of products of function, they have a steps can be followed. First, express the limit in expanded form by applying the limit of products theorem. Second, evaluate the limit of each function by applying the previously discussed limit theorems, then simplify. Sixth theorem, limit of quotient of function. Limit of f of x over g of x approaches to k, equals limit of f of x has x approaches to k over limit of g of x approaches to k. In limit of quotient of function, there are following steps can be followed. First, express the limit expanded form by applying the limit of quotients theorem. Second, evaluate the limit of each function by applying the previously discussed limits theorem, then simplify. Here are the given sample of limit of power of function. Lim x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals x approach to negative 9. Then distributed lim x squared plus 2 limits of x plus limits of 1, then approachable of negative 9 x approachable to negative 9 and x equal to negative 9. Then the value of x is negative 9. So we substitute the x. It's negative 9 square root plus 2 negative 9 plus 1. Then negative 9 square root of 2 is 81. Then 2 times negative 9 plus negative 18 plus 1. Then the answer is 64.
Let's proceed to the next example. Here is the sample given. Lim of 3x and 5 as x approaches to 1. So, 3 limits times limits of 5 as x approaches to 1. Copy the 3, and the value of x is 1, so substitute. Copy the 5. 3 times 1 equals 3. Copy the 5. And the answer is 3 times 5 equals 15, and that's the final answer.